What's up, yo? It's your boy Caleb, and today I'm gonna show you a compilation of the new four video with the new four remastered videos I made. Well, anyways, on to the video.